So you remember that video and that blog that I posted saying that Brianna May won the She Got Game show? It looks like I was incorrect. Here's what's being said around social media. She appears to not have won the show. However, she is with the game currently. Here's how it allegedly all went down, as well as I'm going to show you guys something that I found around the internet about her other rapper ex-boyfriend. So Brianna May posted this photo on Instagram with the following caption. She said, and I quote, "Finally, hashtag no taking posts down. I love you. Heart emoji. Hashtag she got game." Basically, she had posted this photo before a few weeks or so ago, and I made a video about it, and she ended up taking it down afterwards. Anyways, you might be saying to yourself, you know, when the next episode or two airs, I think it's one more episode, if not it's two. And when you watch it, you might say to yourself, well, if Rebecca Silvera won the show, how the hell is Brianna running around saying that the game is mine? You know what I mean? Like, what the hell happened? Basically, him and Rebecca broke up. It's just that simple. Now her and the game are an item. So I know a lot of you haters and you Rebecca fans are upset, but get over it. I mean, he's not your boyfriend, so why the hell do you care? You don't even know these people, so you need to calm the fuck down. Let them do them and mind your fucking business. All right, because the shit that I see people saying on social media is just stupid and ridiculous. And you know, Brianna may be younger than you, but she's definitely more mature than you. I mean, I don't even know how she can handle the stuff that's being said to her. I mean, if you read the comments, you would say, oh my God, this is ridiculous. And I get that people love Rebecca and her little Jamaican accent and the fact that she's, I mean, arguably Rebecca Silvera's like, I mean, if you think she has the prettiest face you've ever seen, I'm not even going to argue with you. I mean, Portia Williams is more my taste, but that's a whole nother story. But Rebecca is arguably the prettiest girl I've ever seen. Arguably. So I'm not, you know, I'm not even upset about the fact that a lot of people are going cuckoo for Rebecca puffs. I get it. She's fine as hell. Anyways, it looks like Rebecca won the show, but then Brianna and him ended up getting together, and him and Rebecca are broken up. There you go. I just wanted to add this to the story. I found a website named Famous Hookups. They reported that she is dating the game currently, so that's more evidence that she is with the game. And her ex-boyfriend, the thing that she's known for, according to Famous Hookups, is being the girlfriend of Romeo Miller. Isn't that something? As you can see, it says right there, her occupation is a fashion model, age 21, famous for Romeo Miller's girlfriend. Right there from the Famous Hookups website. But anyways, I just wanted to let you guys, you know, get a little bit of information on what's going on behind the scenes and what you can expect to see. A lot of people were upset that I posted a spoiler. They were like, why did you have to tell me that Brianna won? And some people even said, I'm not even going to tune in anymore. I don't even like that bitch. I mean, people were just really way too emotionally invested in the show, in my personal opinion. But anyways, you know, I think Rebecca's dope. Brianna's dope too. So whatever, you know, whatever they want to do, that's their lives, is not mine. I don't really care. At the end of the day, I'm just happy if they're happy. You know what I mean? One of those types of situations. But anyways, this is all my opinion. Let me know what you think about it all below. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com for more. Man, the game has some fine women on that show, didn't he? Extra fine. Yeah, just had to say that. Meat Magazine.